Well, let's start out breathing, getting relaxed, and I wanted those words, hope and gratitude, to be our breath. So as we inhale, we're going to inhale the intention of hope. And as we exhale in the gratitude. Inhaling into a greater expansion of hope. Exhaling into a deeper sense of gratitude. Bringing in all those things that make us feel hopeful. And exhaling all of those things that make us feel grateful. As you inhale and exhale, just continuing the cycle of hope and gratitude. Bringing it into your life, expanding it in your life, letting it be a part of you just as your breath is. Through every inhale and exhale. Deep inhale and exhale. Just take a second to sit with this expansion of hope and gratitude, this realization, connection to your life. And now it's brought you to where you are now. It's going to bring you to where you're going to go and beyond. Just slowly beginning to relax your body. Your face softens. The jaw. The shoulders. The hips relax. The legs. Soften the belly. Breathe. Allow the back of the body to relax. Shoulder blades, spine, center of your back. Your hips, legs, knees, heels, feet, toes, all relax. Fill the belly with fresh oxygen, fresh hope. And collapse the belly as you expand into gratitude. Taking 3 more deep breaths here. Inhaling. And exhaling. Inhale. And exhale. One more deep inhale. And a slow, long exhale. As we continue to relax our body, move just a little bit more by rolling the shoulders. Let's pick up these shoulders and squeeze them gently next to our neck. And then exhale, roll the shoulders back and down, moving and breathing. Check in with mobility. Increasing the fluid movements within our body and helping to release tension and tightness as we do so. Just roll the shoulders, bringing them up, moving them forward, closer towards your jaw, and then slide them back and drop them down as the chest opens. Ooh. The back opens, the shoulders, tension in the neck starts to melt away into the breath. Good. Let's do 3 more of these shoulder rolls here. Slowing down, feeling those tight, tense areas and breathing into them. Giving them plenty of oxygen. Plenty of that hope. Good. One more big shoulder roll here, exaggerated. Shoulders up as high as you feel. And then slowly rolling them back and down. Good. Shoulders warmed up just a little bit. I'm going to drop my right ear over to my right shoulder. Ooh. To the left side of the neck just open. If you want to, you can take that right hand and just gently cross it over the chest and place it onto the left shoulder and see what that feels like. Continue to relax that right shoulder though. Good. Take any adjustment you need or want here. If you want more of a stretch, you can bring that right hand towards the left ear. Whew. Good. And a deep stretch. Whatever feels good. Hold it here for 3. Breathe in it. 2. And 1. Good. Slowly relax and release and bring the head back to the center. Breathe in. Then an open mouth exhale. Just yeah. Gently drop that left ear to the left shoulder. Oof. Go ahead and find any stiffness, maybe on the left side, maybe on the right side. Breathe into it. You can take that left hand and move it over to the right shoulder if you want. Across the heart. Just taking a lot of observation and placing it into your shoulders, your chest, your neck, your jaw, your trapezius muscles. Good. Big breath here. Inhale. And exhale. Good. Slowly bring the head back to center. Dropping the chin down. And just gently rolling the head from shoulder to shoulder. So roll your right ear to your right shoulder, then come back down to the center if that feels good. Roll your left ear to your left shoulder. Always making space and room for yourself and your needs. It's never a burden to breathe into our body and understand what's going on. We're never a burden to just observe, to take time with ourselves. We're never a burden. Good. When you're done rocking and rolling in the neck, you can bring the head back up to center. Good. Find your deep breath in here. I'm going to take my left arm, bring it out in front of me. And then I'm going to my palm down, and I'm going to turn my palm up, and then gently roll it and bring it down. Just to warm up the shoulder and the arms, flipping and flopping like a pancake. About 10 times, rotating through the shoulder, rotating through the ulna and the radius. That's the muscle, the bones in the arm. The forearms rolls up into the bicep, the wrist. Good. And from here, we're going to keep that arm straight out in front of us. This is starting to burn. Breathe into it. And then we're just going to make big circles with the wrist. Good. Woo. Waving it. Yep. Also makes it look really cool. Nice. Focusing on the hands. As you do so, you can spread the fingers. Good. There we go. Nice. And then go the other way. Thumb comes in, pinky goes out. Thumb comes in, pinky goes out. Yep. The wrist opens up. Oxygen making those popping noises. Good. I know my arm is starting to burn. I breathe in for another 5, 4, 3, 2. Drop it down. Nice little rub. Get off. Good.